Welcome to my Python challenge video series. Here I'm going to be going through some challenges that are designed for beginners to Python programming. The challenges have actually been taken from my course that I've just created. It's designed for absolute beginners to Python. So if you're interested in taking that, the link is in the description for this video. I'm not going to be teaching Python. I'm literally going to be showing you some challenges and working through some model answers. Let's take a look at the challenge. So challenge 5 is called Hours, Minutes and Seconds Calculator. And it says, write a program that will prompt a user to enter a number of days. Display a message which shows how many hours, minutes and seconds are in the number of days entered. Okay, let's tackle this challenge. So I'm going to use a days variable to get some input. So prompt user enter a number of days, and then I'm going to space this out. Hours is going to be equal to, we'll use the days variable multiplied by 24 hours. Minutes is going to be hours, so I'll just copy that, multiplied by 60, and then seconds, we're going to use the minutes variable times 60 seconds in a minute. And now we're going to print out the results of this. So we'll say there are, and we're going to comma separate and insert all of these variables into our message. So we'll copy hours, so we can use that value, comma, hours, that's part of the message, comma, and the next variable we want to use is minutes. Minutes. And we'll put a comma in the actual message. And then the last one we're going to use is seconds. Comma. And then seconds in is our message. Another comma. And then we can copy our days variable, and the last part of the message is days. Okay, so it's quite a long message, lots of commas separating here. Just put a comma in after hours, and so it reads there are hours, minutes, seconds in number of days. So number of days 7. It says there are 168 hours, 10,080 minutes, 604,800 seconds in 7 days. So there we have another challenge complete in Python.